Welcome back to the channel, where today we are diving deep into the art of transforming long-form content into endless, viral-ready short clips without losing your mind. If you are currently producing lengthy YouTube videos, podcasts, or live streams and are struggling to keep up with the demands of TikTok Reels and Shorts, this video is exactly what you need. I am going to show you a powerful workflow that will save you hours of manual labor every single week, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than the grind of cutting footage. Let us get right into the solution, which revolves around a tool called Vizard, an AI-powered editor designed specifically to identify viral moments and turn them into ready-to-post content. It is much more than just a simple clipper because it integrates scheduling, a full content calendar, and automation that actually makes sense for busy creators like you. I will walk you through the entire journey from setting up your account and uploading your first file to leveraging the AI to pick clips, tweaking them, and setting your content on autopilot. You can grab a free trial of Vizard using the link in the description, but first, let us take a look at the dashboard to understand why it feels so intuitive and modern. The interface is laid out perfectly, with your projects on the left, a central timeline for your clips, and smart AI suggestions neatly tucked away on the right side of the screen. Your first step is as simple as hitting the upload button and dropping in your long-form file, whether it is a raw stream recording or a finished YouTube project. Vizard supports a massive variety of formats and processes the footage impressively fast, allowing you to get to work without staring at a loading bar. Once the file is processed, the AI engine scans the entire video for engagement markers like laughter, energy spikes, or moments that feel naturally viral. In just a few minutes, you will see a list of generated clips, helpfully labeled with categories like hooks, reaction shots, or funny moments to help you pick the best ones. Now is your chance to review the AI's picks, and while it is remarkably accurate, you can easily fine-tune every clip to get it exactly how you want it. You can trim the length, choose your aspect ratio for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and even add consistent caption overlays that make your content pop. Pro tip: take advantage of the engagement boost captions the AI suggests because these are specifically crafted to grab attention and increase your conversion rates. One of my favorite workflows is to run a long video through the system, grab 8 to 10 of the best clips, apply a unified template, and export them all at once. You can literally generate an entire week's worth of short-form content in about 30 minutes, which is a massive upgrade from manually dragging and cutting in traditional software. People often ask how this compares to tools like Descript or CapCut, and honestly, the answer is all about your specific needs regarding automation and scale. Descript is phenomenal for podcast editing, and CapCut is great for mobile effects, but neither is built for the rapid, high-volume batch processing that Vizard specializes in. Even if you are a professional using Premiere Pro, Vizard is not trying to replace your heavy editing tools. It is designed to handle the heavy lifting for your short-form content pipeline. Next, let us dive into the scheduling calendar, which is truly where this platform transitions from a helpful utility into a serious time-saving business asset. Once your clips are polished, you just drag them into the calendar, set your posting frequency, and let the tool handle the timing for each platform individually. You can customize your captions, hashtags, and thumbnails for each specific site, or let the AI handle the heavy lifting based on what is currently trending. If you need to make quick adjustments, simply drag and drop the clips around the calendar and the schedule updates automatically to keep everything running smoothly. After your clips go live, Vizard pulls in your performance analytics so you can actually see what is resonating with your audience and what might need a tweak. It highlights metrics like watch time and retention spikes, which allows you to learn exactly what kind of content your community is craving the most. The more you use the platform, the better the AI gets at understanding your specific brand voice and suggesting even better clips for future uploads. For the best results, try to upload your footage in the highest quality possible, and make sure to create a custom brand template so your colors and fonts stay consistent. You can even use this for live stream highlights, which is a complete game changer for anyone tired of spending hours watching back long recordings to find the best moments. When it comes to pricing, Vizard offers tiered plans that allow you to start small and upgrade as your channel grows, which provides a clear return on your investment. While no AI is completely perfect and you might occasionally want to manually adjust a highlight, the time you save is absolutely worth the trade-off for most creators. To recap the workflow: upload your video, let the AI analyze, review your picks, apply your templates, and schedule everything directly through the content calendar. If you are ready to stop spending your weekends editing and start growing your reach, check out the link in the description to try Vizard for yourself. Do not forget to use the code VZLaunch at checkout if you decide to jump on the Pro plan, as it will get you a nice little discount on your subscription. Let me know in the comments below what type of content you are planning to automate, and I will be happy to create follow-up tutorials for specific needs. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on scaling your creative workflow. We will see you in the next one, so until then, keep creating amazing content and stay consistent with your goals.